What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's Corey Nelson HT and today we're trying Sour Patch Kids tropical flavour. So yeah, you got passion fruit, tropical twist, pineapple and paradise punch. 18 factors on the back, that's what the packet looks like. So yeah, that's what they look like. That's passion fruit. Tropical twist. Pineapple. And paradise punch. Oh my god! Best sweets ever! Let's go. Let's do 4 at once. That's inside the packet. One of the best sweets ever. Or American candy, can't lie. Passion fruit. Oh. So good. So good, can't lie. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time for another video. Bye.